Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to enable vibration notifications on Google Chrome. This feature can enhance your browsing experience by ensuring you don't miss important alerts. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you're using a desktop, make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Once you have Chrome open, look at the top right corner of your screen. Next, click on the three dots. This icon represents the menu and is where you'll find various settings and options for your browser. After clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your Chrome experience according to your preferences. Now, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security. Under this section, you'll find several options. Look for Site Settings and click on it. This is where you can manage permissions for websites. Once you're in Site Settings, find and click on Notifications. Here, you will see a list of sites that have requested permission to send notifications. To enable vibration notifications, look for an option that says Vibrate or something similar. You may need to toggle a switch or checkbox next to it to enable this feature. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vibration notifications in Google Chrome. Now, whenever you receive a notification from a website that supports this feature, your device will vibrate, alerting you instantly. Remember, if you ever want to change these settings again or turn off vibration notifications, just follow the same steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy browsing!